everyone, my name is Qoqsik. I stream on Twitch, create design and art, and also have a small store with the pages, panels and overlays. Today, I will show you how to make your oven chroma key stand for $25 and 4 hours of time. Let's begin with the hands up. If you don't want to create your oven stand, you can buy a pre-made one. An equivalent is cheaper for $120. You can find link to this project in the description of this video. However, for me it is too expensive. I decided to make my oven green background and share it with you. I want to make a green background that is 2 meters high and 1.8 meters wide. The first things we need to buy is a green fabric and iron pipes for the frame. I bought the fabric for the $12 in the photography store. I bought 3 meters long pipes at the hardware store. In order for the pipes to fit the dimensions, you need to make 2 pieces of 2 meters each and 1 piece 1.8 meters. You also need to make 4 legs. Now we need to construct everything what we sewed and then mount. 2 triple mounts for legs and beam. Okay, the first leg's ready. Leg. Let's do the second one. One more. To set up the fabric, I passed it through the top beam. I will struck it a little bit later and it will look more better. And what I want to tell you, it was very cheap and it was a little bit hard to install, but it's life. What can be easily in this life? If you need to set up chroma key in OBS for streaming, you can check out my other videos on this topic. I hope this video helped you. If you still have problem or question, write them in the comments. Check out my store and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. Bye!